Hey, what's up? This is Jordan the Dough Witch, and I am doing a protection spell and moving things towards me financially, layering what I've already done with the scorpion oil. And like with the scorpions, this bites, and I could feel it. I could feel the scorpion oil very strong. This is a strong oil to use, and I use the rue on what the protection and success, and scorpion oil on the money and job, tend to have control over the situation. So, yeah. And like a serpent, like the serpent and scorpions, you respect them because they bite back when threatened.